Hello, today we will guide you through how to do website audit in Semrush. To begin, open Semrush in your browser and make sure you are on the main home area of the platform. This is the starting point where you can access the tools needed to review your website's performance and technical health. A website audit is useful because it helps identify issues that may affect search visibility, site performance, and overall user experience. Once you are on the Semrush home screen, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on AI Visibility. This section helps organize features related to understanding how your site is being seen and evaluated. If you are new to the platform, take a moment to scan the menu so you can get comfortable with where major tools are located. That makes future audits much faster. After opening that area, click on Site Audit. This is the tool that scans your website for technical SEO issues and gives you a structured overview of what may need attention. It's a good idea to make sure you are selecting the correct tool here, since Semrush includes several different analysis options, and each one serves a different purpose. Next, enter or select the sample domain you want to audit. If the domain is already available in your account, you may be able to choose it from a list. Otherwise, type it into the field provided. Be careful to use the correct domain version so the audit reflects the site you actually want to review. This step is important because all results will be based on the domain you choose. Once the domain is entered or selected, click Start Audit. This begins the setup for the audit process. Depending on the platform view, you may be taken to a confirmation or configuration screen before the scan actually starts. This is normal, and it simply means Semrush is preparing the audit for that selected website. When the next Start Audit button appears, click it again to officially launch the scan. This second click confirms the audit and tells Semrush to begin analyzing the site. After that, the platform will start collecting data and checking for technical issues across the website. At this stage, all you need to do is wait for the audit to process. The scan may take a little time depending on the size of the website. Once it finishes, you'll be able to review the findings and use them to guide your next optimization steps. That's it. You've successfully started a website audit in Semrush.